Best Foldable Drones. Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Drone with Camera 1080p HD FPV. The 1080p HD FPV foldable drone is an ideal option for beginners and kids, offering a range of user-friendly features designed to enhance the flying experience. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, this drone allows for high-quality aerial photography in first-person view, FPV, flying, capturing clear and detailed images and videos during flight. The drone's foldable design makes it highly portable, and it comes with a convenient carrying case for easy storage and transport. One of the standout features of this drone is its voice and gesture control, allowing for hands-free operation and easy navigation, which is particularly beneficial for younger pilots or those new to drones. Additionally, the drone includes optical flow positioning, which helps stabilize flight by maintaining a steady altitude, making it easier to control and preventing it from drifting. For added convenience, the drone features a one-key takeoff and land function, simplifying the process for beginners. It also includes a 360 degrees flip capability, enabling fun and impressive aerial stunts with a simple command. The Waypoint Fly feature allows for preset flight paths, providing a more automated flying experience for users who may not be familiar with manual controls. This drone is equipped with durable, beginner-friendly controls and features that ensure safe flying, and it's a great choice for kids looking to get started with drone flying. The combination of a high-quality camera, easy-to-use controls, and built-in safety features makes it an excellent choice for learning and fun recreational flying. In summary, the 1080p HD FPV foldable drone offers excellent value for beginners and kids, with an impressive array of features including voice/gesture control, optical flow positioning, and one-key takeoff/landing, making it a great choice for new drone enthusiasts. Number 2. Mini Drone with Camera. The Mini Drone with Camera is a compact and versatile drone designed for both beginners and experienced pilots, making it a great option for adults and kids alike. Featuring a 1080p FPV camera, it delivers high-definition video and images, allowing users to enjoy real-time aerial footage during flight. The drone's foldable design makes it highly portable, and it comes with 2 batteries, extending flight time for longer, uninterrupted sessions. One of the key features of this mini drone is its stable altitude hold, which ensures steady flight by maintaining consistent altitude, making it easier to control, especially for beginners. Additionally, the gravity control feature allows for intuitive movement based on the pilot's hand gestures, adding an extra layer of convenience for hands-free flying. The drone also includes trajectory flight, enabling users to set flight paths on the app, allowing the drone to follow a predetermined route automatically. The 90 degrees adjustable lens provides flexibility in capturing different perspectives and angles, giving users more creative control over their aerial shots. For added ease of use, the drone features a one-key takeoff and landing function, allowing for smooth and quick launches and landings. Ideal for both adults and kids, the drone is designed with user-friendly controls and safety features that make it easy for anyone to fly. With its combination of high-definition camera, advanced flight modes, and convenient features like the adjustable lens and gravity control, the mini drone offers a fun and accessible flying experience for drone enthusiasts of all levels. In conclusion, the mini drone with camera offers a great mix of stability, portability, and advanced features, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced pilots who want to explore aerial photography and flight dynamics. Number 3. Drone with Camera. The Drone with Camera is a feature-packed 2K HD FPV drone designed for kids, beginners, and drone enthusiasts. It features a 2K HD camera that allows for high-quality video and photo capture, providing clear, detailed footage during flight. This drone is equipped with a brushless motor, which offers a quieter, more efficient flight experience with increased durability and longer flight times compared to traditional motors. One of the standout features is the altitude hold function, which ensures the drone maintains a stable position at a consistent height, making it easier to control and perfect for beginners. The drone also supports gesture selfies, enabling users to take hands-free photos simply by performing specific gestures, which is ideal for capturing shots without needing to control the drone manually. The drone includes a one-key takeoff and landing function, allowing for easy and smooth launches and landings, further enhancing its user-friendly design. Additionally, the 3D flip function provides fun and exciting aerial maneuvers, making the flying experience more entertaining. The waypoint fly feature allows the drone to follow a predefined path, making it suitable for more advanced flying or automated control during flight. For added convenience, the drone is foldable and comes with 2 batteries, extending its flight time for longer sessions. Its compact size makes it easy to carry and store, while still offering an impressive range of features and performance. In summary, the drone with camera offers a great combination of high-quality imaging, ease of use, and fun features like 3D flips, waypoint fly, and gesture selfies, making it an excellent choice for beginners and kids. Its brushless motor, altitude hold, and foldable design add to its appeal, providing an enjoyable and versatile flying experience. Number 4. Drone with camera. The drone with 1080p camera is a beginner-friendly quadcopter designed for both kids and adults. Featuring a 1080p HD camera, this drone allows users to capture clear, high-quality photos and videos during flight. It's perfect for those looking to explore aerial photography without needing a professional drone. The drone is foldable, making it highly portable and easy to store, and it comes with 2 batteries for extended flight time, ensuring more fun during each session. This drone is equipped with several user-friendly features, such as voice control and gesture selfies. The voice control feature allows users to command the drone hands-free, while the gesture selfie function lets users take pictures with simple hand gestures, offering a fun and interactive flying experience. The altitude hold function ensures stable flight by maintaining a consistent altitude, making it easier to control, especially for beginners. For ease of use, the drone includes a one-key start and landing function, simplifying takeoffs and landings. The 3D flip capability adds an element of excitement, allowing the drone to perform flips in mid-air with a simple button press. These fun features, combined with intuitive controls, make the drone a great toy for boys and girls who are just starting out with drones. In summary, the drone with 1080p camera offers a perfect blend of fun and practicality for beginners and kids. Its foldable design, high-quality camera, voice and gesture control, and easy flight functions like altitude hold, one-key start, and 3D flips make it a highly enjoyable and accessible drone for all ages. With 2 batteries, it also ensures longer flight times for extended enjoyment. Number 5. Mini drone with camera. The mini drone with camera is an excellent choice for both beginners and adults looking for a fun, portable drone experience. It features a 1080p HD camera that allows users to capture clear and sharp photos and videos, making it ideal for those wanting to explore aerial photography. The drone is foldable, offering easy portability and convenience, and it comes with a carrying case for hassle-free storage and transport. Additionally, the drone includes 2 batteries, allowing for longer flight times and more opportunities to enjoy flying. One of the standout features of this mini drone is the 90 degrees adjustable lens, which provides versatility in capturing different angles and perspectives, enhancing the creativity of your shots. The drone also features altitude hold, ensuring it maintains a stable height, which is particularly helpful for beginners who are still learning how to control their drone. The one-key takeoff and landing function makes it easy for users to launch and land the drone with just the push of a button, eliminating the complexities of manual takeoff and landing. For added fun, the drone supports a 360 degrees flip function, enabling users to perform exciting aerial stunts with ease. Whether you're flying indoors or outdoors, these features make the drone more enjoyable and engaging. In summary, The mini drone with camera is a versatile, beginner-friendly drone that offers a range of fun features, such as a 1080p camera, 90 degrees adjustable lens, altitude hold, one-key takeoff/landing, and 360 degrees flips. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it easy to take on the go, while the extra batteries provide extended flying time. This drone is a great gift for both kids and adults, offering a balance of fun, ease of use, and high-quality performance.